Hello, guys. We're live.
We are live, I think.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, everyone, welcome to this live video. As promised, we are back with another weekly video showing you inside of the new trading account that we created over on Yanda.io, where we deposited 1 Ethereum, and we're going to show you each week how, well, Mario is going to trade it, and he's going to show you how exactly he's setting trades, and we're going to see the performance over the next year. So without further ado, my name is Chris White, and I'm the CMO at Yanda.io. And we're joined today with Mario Stumpo, the CEO and founder of Yanda.io.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
And it's got a really cool hoodie as well, which I'm still waiting for my hoodie to arrive. Have you sent it?
Oh. No, because the region where I am in Italy is still red zone. Apparently, is going to just get stricter. I'm not sure. We had a government crisis yesterday, so they voted for the trust to the government. So I think that something can change, and I will be able to send out some hoodies as soon as possible to all the team. That's coronavirus.
It's getting cold in Prague.
Yeah, yeah. You can warm yourself up with some Yanda logo on your hoodie. All right. So maybe it's better if I share the screen and show what we have achieved in terms of portfolio value with our Yanda portfolio that we started up a few weeks ago. So I'm going to share my screen right now.
First, I want to apologize if you can hear like a little bit of a background noise. It's because my new little puppy, Molly, decided to chew through my Mac cable, and so I'm on an old 2011 Mac, which I had to dust off out of the cupboards. So it's not handling the live stream too well, as you could probably hear, so I apologize for that one. But Mario, over to you. Let's dive in and show everyone the account and how that trade went.
MacBook Pro from the 2011 are great machines. So
they're still great. They're still great. I mean, it's still works. I don't say that with a Windows laptop.
So, okay, guys, so as you remember, we started our adventure with this new account with a value of $1,000. Of course, we received some help from the spike in the currencies. Nevertheless, the trading we made, they produced some results. And now we have a value of $1,175-ish, 76 almost. So what did we do? Just for refreshing your minds, we started a trading bot together with you that was consisting of 1 Ethereum investment, of which we received a 0.29% of profits. As you can see in the details, we started it 5th of January, and it actually closed same day after less than 2 hours, producing these 0.29% of profits on the Ethereum. Then I changed my strategy. Actually, the 13th of January, I got back to this account. I started a new strategy. With the remaining with Ethereum, as you see, there is an investment of 1.002 Ethereum, but with a different aim. The aim was to show you how you can really produce more profits with one strategy, and so to have a long-term strategy that operates in the background for you. And it is actually now up 10.4% on the Bitcoin side. So as you can see, we started a strategy with 1.002 Ethereum. The equivalent in Bitcoin was 0.030738. And as of today, we are making a 0.0032 Bitcoin profits, which is the 10.42% profits on the Bitcoin side. And the last fill was actually 4 days ago. And since then, now I'm still looking for buying Ethereum at a price which is 0.0301 and 0.0304. Now, why did I start a strategy that would aim to increase Bitcoin instead of increasing Ethereum? Why didn't I stop when actually we had some good profits on the Ethereum side? Well, because you might have, as a trader, different aim And one of the aim in this case would be to not to convert immediately your Ethereum to Bitcoin, but to start a strategy which aims to get more Bitcoin than what you would have had at the beginning of the conversion. With that, I mean that if we were to convert Ethereum to Bitcoin on the 13th of January, we would have had this amount. By starting a trading bot, you could end with more. And actually, this more is the profits we make right now. So by starting a strategy without making a straight conversion, we actually gain 10.4% more Bitcoin than what we would have had with a straight conversion on the 13th of January. After 3 days, the same conversion would bring you 10.4% Bitcoin more. And you can ensure that you can get that sure by setting certain parameters on the strategy. The strategy, in fact, started with an expectation of profits in Ethereum of 0.8 and profits in quote, which are the Bitcoin in this pair, of 10%, which got filled. And therefore, we are experiencing now a good profits on the Bitcoin side. Nevertheless, if the price will go down, and I actually am not going to close this strategy right now, because if the price of the Bitcoin, of the Ethereum against the Bitcoin is going to fall up to 0.03, I will book quite good profits on the Ethereum side, which is the currency I started the investment with. As of today, I'm happy to keep my Bitcoin because, again, when we started these strategies together, I mentioned to you that either the Ethereum or the Bitcoin, they have a good fit in my portfolio because I think that both of them are great currencies. And so that's why I started the strategy onto the Ethereum Bitcoin market pair, because either either the Ethereum or the Bitcoin are a good fit on my portfolio, and I'm happy to keep them. So I'm gonna keep these Bitcoin out right now, but I'm not gonna close this strategy as of today, because if the price goes deep down, then I will collect bigger profits on the Ethereum side. So I don't think today we're going to put our hands on the strategy themselves. I'm actually keen of replying to some of our customers that they asked me via email to explain a little bit better how to use the market conversion through the manual trading. So here we are. If you want to convert one currency against another one, it's really easy. Let's say that you want to convert Bitcoin into USDT. You just head over manual trading. You look for your pair in here. You can do all the way around from the dashboard, so you see which kind of pair of currency you have available for trading. In this case, is Bitcoin. Click on Trade Bitcoin, and then you look for USDT on the side of the Bitcoin, and then that pops and you click on trade, not create bot, but trade. So you click on trade, and now we are on the pair we want. And so if I want to make a trade conversion, I will set myself not on limit, which is the default one. I will click on to market, and then I don't know, I'll copy my Bitcoin available. And if I want to sell Bitcoin in this case, I will just fill that in here, and as you can see, the amount that is going to give me back is 109 USDT. So you have already a preview of what is going to happen. I don't really fancy USDT, so I'm going to move to Ethereum BTC, and I'm going to convert the BTC I have available into Ethereum just for demonstration purpose. This doesn't is not part of any fancy trading strategy. Sorry. This is if you want to sell Ethereum. Here I want to buy Ethereum, so I'm going to put the amount of BTC. As you can see, you're helped in here, so everything is here. Like amount of BTC, you put BTC. Amount of Ethereum, here you put Ethereum. So since I have Bitcoin that I want to exchange and convert to Ethereum, I'm going to put my Bitcoin here. So, and this is what I will get roughly. So it's 0.086. And if I want to do that, I just need to click on buy. Chris, shall I go ahead and buy?
Definitely. Let's do it.
So here we are. I'm going to click on to buy. and order placed successfully. The balance is updated immediately, so you have this 0.08 plus the Ethereum I had before available onto your portfolio. That's it. The conversion is really easy. Now, maybe if we want to check how much did we pay for this transaction, we can check into closed orders. And as you can see, we have a market at this size. We are going to introduce in this new update, we're going to have during this week also the price for the markets. We already have it on our test, but we roughly had a 0.037 value. Now, let's say that I want to sell these Ethereum available at a specific price. Let's say 0.38, so we can make some profits out of the market trade we made. So I'm going to put my amount of Ethereum I want to sell and the price. I'm going to set it in here, 0.038. As you can see, I will get this amount of Bitcoin, which is higher than the amount I just sold before. And if I gonna click on buy, this is not going to happen immediately. Account has insufficient balance. What does it mean? Which max available amount is that? Let me refresh the page. So 1 second. That's a bit awkward. So the Ethereum available is in here. I want to sell. Sorry, that's my problem. So we need to sell Ethereum. We don't have to buy Ethereum. My apologies for that. So you're going to set the limit in here. And yes, I'm going to get this amount of Bitcoin, which is higher than before, if I'm going to sell the amount of Ethereum I have at this specific price. Actually, you can see that it increases the amount of Bitcoin if you get a bigger price. Now let's stick with something realistic that can happen quite soon. So with 0.038, I'm happy to sell the Ethereum I just bought. So if I place a sell limit, order placed successfully, you will find the sell limit placed in here. As you can see, there is the size we are trying to sell at this price. You can always cancel the limit by clicking on cancel button, and if you want to go ahead, just confirm by clicking on cancel. We don't want to do that right now, so I'm going to keep it open, and we are going to update you guys on the next live we're going to do soon and see if this limit is getting fulfilled, or if the price keep going down, then we cannot do nothing. We will stick with our Ethereum and try to do something better with a trading strategy on the next video we're going to record soon, right?
Yeah, no, definitely. So I mean, guys, if there's anything else you want to learn about automated trading or on the Yanda platform, just like drop a comment on this video and let us know, and we'll come back and do a video. If you want us to do more videos like this, at the moment we only do like one a week coming live and showing you automated trading. So if you want us to do more as well, like, we're open to it. If you're going to watch it, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll come on here and we'll do as many trading tutorials live as we can to help you guys out and manage these crazy times with all these big and altcoin seasons and everything that's going on. So we want you to be profitable. That's what Yanda's all about. So yeah, if you've got any questions, just drop them below, or join our Telegram group as well. And I'll also stick that in the description below. So Mario, if you've got nothing else to add, or no? All right. So as always, until the next video, may the profit be with you.
Ciao ragazzi, bye.
Ciao.